Hey, it's April with the Possible Diet, and today I'm going to show you how to make a zoodle dish without any recipe, really. This I just kind of call like antipasta because I make it when I've been craving zoodles, which is rare because I usually like spaghetti squash. And I see stuff at the deli that looks good in the antipasta bar, which they're opening up now, so they're a little more available. What we're going to start with is a hot pan, and then you just want to put some olive oil down, like a tablespoon or so. Get that hot. I'm using my Zeta, which is basil and garlic flavored. This is a big flavor dish, and it's completely to taste. So what you want to do is go to the antipasta bar at your local deli or Whole Foods or Safeway or whatever, and just get what looks good, get what tastes good. Today I have some of these little mini hot peppers. I have some tapenade, olive tapenade, roasted tomatoes, a little rotisserie chicken, some mini mozzarella balls, and then some roasted red peppers that were in my fridge. Also got my homemade pesto, and then some balsamic vinegar. So you're going to heat this oil up, medium-high heat, till it's hot, and then add in some zoodles. I just put like a big handful. This is a combination of zucchini and yellow squash. Like 2 to 3 cups, depending on how many people you're serving. If you like pesto, you can add pesto. This is my homemade pesto, carrot top, radish top pesto. You've seen that video. I'm just adding like 2 or 3 tablespoons. We're just going to cook these noodles until they are steamed through. And then we're just going to add a little bit of every ingredient, taste it, toss it, add more if we need it, and that's it. It's really simple. It's like antipasta. You can also make this with hearts of palm pasta. Just make sure that you follow the method in my cacio e pepe video so that you get kind of like the funk off of them. You want to like soak them, and then if you can, boil them shortly in like chicken broth, vegetable broth, or like some rice milk. You just want to cook these until most of the moisture has evaporated, and then you're going to turn the stove off, add in the rest of your ingredients. Just eyeball it according to, how much of all of them you like. You'll learn as you make this dish again and again what works, what doesn't work. I just kind of add everything, toss it all together, taste it, add a little bit more of something, add a little bit more of something else. If you don't like olives, you don't have to add olives. If you like Kalamata olives, you can use Kalamata olives. You can add black olives. But I like to just make sure I've got, palm's worth of protein. I count the cheese as like half protein, half fat. Remember that anything that's marinated already has flavor, already has salt, brine, that sort of thing with it. So before you add salt, make sure you taste it. That's pretty good. I'm going to add a little lemon pepper. couple of grinds of salt. And then you can also try red wine vinegar if you don't have balsamic. Balsamic has a really strong flavor, so don't be too liberal. Oh, this smells amazing. And that's it. Antipasta. How easy was that? Enjoy.